Today, we're going to be looking at the crash cymbal and the ride cymbal and how to incorporate them into our basic groove and fill exercises that we've learned so far.
Each cymbal has a specific role to play on the drum kit and is played in a different way, as well as producing completely different sounds. Let's look at the crash cymbal first. Remember that there are three main playing areas on the crash: the edge, the bell, and the bow. All of today's exercises are to be played on the edge of the cymbal using the shoulder of the stick. It should look like this. Just like hitting a drum, be sure to let the stick come away from the playing area after the impact. This will ensure the cymbal vibrates freely, giving us a nice full crash sound. Try not to hit the cymbal too hard. A stick height of 45 degrees or so should be enough to get a good sound. Most of the time, you'll either be playing the crash cymbal whilst playing another part of the drum kit, usually either a bass drum or a snare drum. So we'll practice some exercises that will help you gain some control in this area first. Let's start with bass drum and crash together. Notice the crash cymbal is written at the top of the stave as a cross with a circle around it. And it also has a curved line called a tie behind each note, signifying that the cymbal should be free to vibrate between hits. The bass drum is notated on the bottom space. Really focus on playing the two notes exactly together. Exercise 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the same exercise using the crash cymbal with the snare drum together in unison. Exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're comfortable playing both of these exercises, we'll move on and try playing an eighth note rock beat with a crash cymbal every 2 bars. This means we'll have to make beat 1 of the first bar our crash and bass drum, but still have to get to the hi-hat pretty quickly on the and of 1 to make it sound smooth. Exercise 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to practice an eighth note fill with a crash on the end. This will be followed by 3 rests. Repeat this and the previous exercise many times. Exercise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Once you've got the hang of doing both the groove with a crash and the drum fill with a crash, we can put it together to complete our piece. Let's do this next exercise with 3 bars of groove and 1 bar of fill. There'll only be 1 crash, remember, and that should be happening on beat 1 of bar 1. Count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and play the exercise slowly to begin with.
Exercise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another similar exercise. Exercise 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. For more examples like this to practice, go back to the previous lesson and add a crash to bar 1, beat 1 for all the exercises 8 to 11. Here's another exercise. This time we'll try playing some crashes in the drum fill with the snare drum. Exercise 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving over to the ride now, we can see its 3 playing areas are the same as the crash: the bow, the bell, and the edge. Most playing on the ride cymbal is done on the bow of the cymbal using the tip of the stick. Let's just play an 8th note rock beat, but this time use the ride cymbal bow rather than the hi-hat with our lead hand. You'll notice in the notation that the ride cymbal is written on the top line of the stave. Exercise 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the same pattern, but this time with a crash added to beat 1 in bar 1. It's a slightly trickier motion getting from the crash on beat 1 over to the ride cymbal on the and of 1, but it's something that happens a lot when using the ride cymbal. Exercise 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can put together our groove and drum fill piece. This time using the ride cymbal as the home for our lead hand. Here we'll introduce some more fills and develop our use of both ride and crash cymbals. Exercise 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another exercise. Watch out for the movement between ride and crash cymbals. Exercise 11. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Practice all the exercises at a slow speed and concentrate on accuracy when you play anything. It's better to play everything slower and cleanly than to play too fast and have to either keep stopping or stumble through your practice. At the end of the day, good technique is good control, so try and stay in control of everything that you play. Good luck and bye for now.